Welcome to this comprehensive overview of AOP Plus Easy Print on Demand, a platform designed to streamline your print-on-demand and dropshipping business. AOP Plus allows you to create unique custom products without holding inventory, making it perfect for entrepreneurs looking to break into the market with minimal upfront costs. It supports integration with platforms like Shopify and offers various product categories, including apparel, accessories, and home goods. The user-friendly interface simplifies product creation by letting you upload your designs directly onto a wide range of items. The automated order fulfillment process ensures your customers receive their products seamlessly. AOP Plus also provides competitive pricing and options for global shipping, giving your business a global reach. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links are in the description. Whether you're new to dropshipping or looking to expand your product catalog, AOP Plus offers tools and resources to help your business grow. Stay tuned for tips on setting up your store, optimizing your designs, and scaling your operations. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more in-depth reviews and expert guidance.